Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CRM dashboards from Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports tab. From the Reports page, locate the dashboard you wish to download. Open the dashboard by clicking on its name. In the top right corner, find the Dashboard drop-down menu. Click on the menu to reveal additional options. Select Export from this drop-down. You will see two export options, Formatted Report and Details Only. Choose your preferred export format based on your needs. If you select Formatted Report, your dashboard will retain its visual layout. If you choose Details Only, you will receive a data-only version of the dashboard. Once you've made your selection, click the Export button. After clicking, a download window will appear. Follow the prompts to save the file to your desired location on your computer. Once downloaded, open the file to verify the contents. If you need to make adjustments, you can do so in a spreadsheet application. For further analysis, explore the data as needed. That's how you download CRM dashboards from Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.